Hello dear students, welcome to Chem Class Academy. Today I am going to discuss about difference between organic and inorganic compounds. The topic is difference between organic and inorganic compounds. You learned last class according to modern chemistry theory. The organic compounds are those compounds which contain carbon and hydrogen and their derivatives is called organic compounds. And also the inorganic compounds are those compounds which do not contain carbon atom. Which do not contain carbon atom except carbonate, bicarbonate, oxides, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide and cyanides. The remaining compounds is known as inorganic compounds. The carbon atom is not present in inorganic compounds except carbonate, bicarbonate, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide and cyanides. Remaining all are inorganic compounds. So in this topic, difference between inorganic and organic compounds. See the difference between organic and inorganic compounds. Organic compound and inorganic compound. The first point is the organic compounds do not dissolve in water. The organic compounds do not dissolve in water. The inorganic compounds dissolve in water. In this, let us see here. Do not dissolve in water except alcohols and amines and carboxylic acids and carboxylic acid chlorides, acid chloride, amines, carboxylic acid and carboxylic acid chlorides, esters and also simple sugars like table sugar and it is monosaccharide and disaccharide. For example, sugar is table sugar, and in this point, inorganic compound dissolved in water. Inorganic compounds are dissolved in water. Example, sodium chloride. In this example, sugar. In this example, NaCl. Sodium chloride. It is table sugar. It is sugar. It is also dissolved in water, but sugar is belong to organic compounds. It is simple sugar in carbohydrates. Disaccharide and monosaccharides. Monosaccharide and disaccharide dissolved in water. It is exemption. It is organic compounds, but the organic compounds do not dissolve in water except to alcohol, amines, carboxylic acid and carboxylic acid chloride, esters and simple sugars. When simple sugars belongs to it is called also sugar in table. Sugar is also belongs to organic compound. And second point is the organic compounds are inflammable. Inflammable, it will catch fire. Fire. Example, wood. Inorganic compounds, non-flammable. And third point is organic compounds exist in liquid, solid and gas. Exist solid, liquids and gas. Inorganic compound generally solids. And fourth point is organic compounds are colorless compounds. Inorganic compounds are colorful compounds. Generally, the inorganic compounds are absorb the light and appears the colors. And organic compounds are not absorb the light and do not appear the color. It is different. And fifth point is it is fat. Organic compounds are fat and sugars, DNA. Inorganic compounds are carbon dioxide, diamond, graphite. And organic compounds are low boiling point and melting point. Inorganic compounds are high melting point and boiling point. It is organic compounds are low melting point, boiling point and melting point. And inorganic compounds are high melting point and boiling point. It is different between inorganic and organic compounds. The organic compounds do not dissolve in water except alcohols, amines, carboxylic acids and carboxylic acid chlorides and esters and simple sugars. It is disaccharide and monosaccharides. And inorganic compounds is dissolved in water, example sodium chloride. And generally organic compounds are inflammable, that is example wood, but inorganic compounds are not non-flammable. And also the organic compounds exist in liquid, solid and gas, but generally inorganic compounds are solids. And also it is organic compounds are colorless compounds and inorganic compounds are colorful compounds. And colorless may due to the organic compounds are not absorb the light and do not appear the colors. And inorganic compounds absorb the light and appears the colors. And organic compounds are fat, sugars and DNA. Inorganic compounds are carbon dioxide, diamond and graphite. The organic compounds, it is low boiling point and melting point, and inorganic compounds are high melting point and boiling point. So it is about different between organic and inorganic compounds. And solve the question. It is simple questions about inorganic and organic compounds. This question, which type of elements are present in inorganic compounds? Which type of elements? Which type of elements present in inorganic compounds? Actually, according to definition of inorganic compounds, in modern definition, the inorganic compounds are those compounds which do not contain carbon. So according to inorganic definition, it is modern definition, do not contain carbon atom. So in this option, carbon given in A option in carbon atom, B option carbon atom, C option in carbon atom. So generally, according to definition, generally thinking, direct choose the D option, because inorganic compound there is no carbon atom, but in this inorganic compounds, except means do not contain carbon atom, but except carbonate, bicarbonate, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide cyanides. But in this compounds, in this compound, carbon atom is present. It is belongs to inorganic compounds. So, according to definition, do not contain carbon atom, but except carbonate, bicarbonate, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and cyanides. So, inorganic compounds, in the inorganic compounds, the carbon atom is also present. Actually, the carbon atom is also present. So, the option is E. Option is E. Because the inorganic compounds also carbon atom is present. And see, the second question is which type of elements are present in organic compounds? Organic compounds. But according to definition, the organic compounds are those compounds which contain carbon, hydrogen and their derivatives is called organic compounds. But carbon and hydrogen and their derivatives. So the carbon, hydrogen and in this option carbon, hydrogen and carbon, hydrogen, in this option carbon, hydrogen. But in this option there is no carbon. Hydrogen is present but there is no carbon. Remaining elements, the derivatives and remaining elements also present in organic compounds. Actually, derivatives mean carbon direct bond with hydrogen atom and carbon direct bond with halogen group and carbon direct bond with nitrogen and also oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur. In this, it is derivatives. If the carbon atom direct bond with other than elements in halogen group, nitrogen atom, oxygen atom, phosphorus atom and sulfur atom, it is derivative groups. So, organic compounds also sulfur is present, hydrogen is present, oxygen is present. So, the option is D. D option is correct option. It is about difference between organic and inorganic compounds and two questions. Solve the problem. It is simple problem. So in this topic, it's very important for IIT, NEET and JEE and also learners and beginners in chemistry students. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel Chem Class Academy. You will get new classes every day from my channel.